In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subtract numbers in Excel. Subtraction in Excel is quick and dependable once you know the exact sequence to follow. The key idea is that Excel uses formulas to calculate, and every formula begins with an equal sign. For subtraction, the operator you'll use is the dash, also known as the minus sign. With that in mind, let's walk through the process clearly and simply. Start by opening Excel and the worksheet where your numbers live. Click the cell where you want the answer to appear. This is important because Excel will place the result right where your cursor is. Now type the equal sign. That tells Excel you're about to enter a formula rather than plain text. Next, select the first cell that contains the value you want to start with. When you click it, you'll see that cell reference appear in your formula bar and in the cell you're editing. After that, type the dash sign. This dash is the operator Excel uses to subtract one value from another. Then click the second cell with the value you want to subtract from the first. You should now see a simple formula. The first cell reference, a dash, and the second cell reference. Press enter to complete the formula and Excel will instantly calculate the result. A few helpful notes can make this even smoother. If you prefer, you can type numbers directly instead of clicking cells. For example, typing equals, then a number, then a dash, then another number works the same way. Just remember that the equal sign must come first, or Excel won't treat it as a calculation. If the second number is larger than the first, your result will be negative, and Excel will show a minus sign in front of the answer. If something doesn't look right, double-check that both cells contain numbers and not text. Sometimes entries that look like numbers are actually stored as text, which can cause errors. You can fix this by retyping the values or changing the formatting to number. Also, be careful not to include extra spaces or characters in the formula. The only operator you need here is the dash. One more tip, if you change either of the original values later, Excel will automatically recalculate the result for you. That's the power of linking your formula to cells rather than typing a fixed number. And that's it. Open Excel, start with an equal sign, select the first value, type with a dash, select the second value, and press enter. Simple, precise, and done.